How to log in to your Mitrade account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to log into your Mitrade account, then firstly open up the Mitrade application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Hub button at the bottom right. Inside the Hub menu, you'll see the Login/Sign Up option at the very top. Simply select that. Now, go ahead and choose whether you'd like to sign in with phone or email. I previously signed up with email, so I'm going to have to select email. Just select the previous sign up method that you've chosen. Now, after choosing email, make sure to enter your email address associated with your account. On the next field, enter your password for your account that you've created previously. If you don't remember your password, you can reset your password by tapping on Forgot Password and following through the prompts. After typing down your correct password, tap on Login. You can also log in via OTP without having to enter your password. Simply tap on OTP Login on the left and follow through the instructions. After entering your correct credential, click Login and you'll be signed in without any delay. So that is how you can easily sign in or log in to your Mitrade account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.